Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can update the data on the existing loan numbers in our system, which are the loan numbers we are already working on. Suppose we have an existing loan number, for example, loan number 1. On this loan number, if we don't have any alternate numbers for the customer, and suppose the bank provides us with 4 numbers for this customer, or we ourselves find 4 numbers through skip tracing, then how do we update them in bulk? So, let's see. When we click on Allocation, the first column we see is Upload New Record. Whenever the allocation comes from the bank, we upload it, as you can see in previous videos. Update Existing Record. We need to update information on loan number 1. Suppose later we receive reference details from the bank or the DPD is updated, then we take the loan number in the first column, and in the second, third, and fourth columns, we take the data we need to upload. Let me create an Excel sheet to show you. So, let's assume we've taken the loan number in the first column. In the second column, we'll take DPD. If we need to update the DPD, and in the third column, if we need to update the customer's residence address, we can download the header from here as well. If you are logged in with any ID, you can go to my profile and view the sample upload file, where you'll find the headers for all files. Whether you're uploading a new record, updating an existing record, uploading alternate numbers, updating status, updating records in bulk, or updating NCD records, you'll get the header file from here. Right now, we are looking at updating existing records, so I've downloaded this one. So, this is the same file that we use while uploading new data. Suppose in this we have written the loan number. This is the loan number we are already working on. Let's say you need to add a second mobile number. So, we add it here. And as soon as you go to Allocation, go to Update Existing Record, and submit the file. The next option is Update Alternate Number. If you only want to update alternate numbers, see, the first column is loan number. For loan number, you can update up to 10 numbers at once. Suppose you want to update more than one number on loan number, you enter loan number in the first column, alternate number 1 in the second column, alternate number 2 in the third column. So this will be our process of adding alternative numbers. Next is the upload state card. You receive state cards in HTML format, so now you search for 11 state cards, but according to our system, you don't need to search for state cards. You receive state cards in bulk, in HTML format. You'll take that format file and directly upload it here. Submit the state card file, so whatever loan numbers state cards you've received will start appearing on those loan numbers. You can see them on the loan detail page. I'll show you that too. When you've uploaded the state card, I'll open any loan number to show you. If I've uploaded the state card for this loan number in the CRM system, then here it turns blue. Right now, what you see as red, the view state card turns blue, and when we click here, we see all the information in that state card: asset details, repayment history, PDC bounce information, payment details, and follow-up details. This is the detail the bank provides in the state card. The next, unassign. So, I've already told you about that. These are the cases in our area, but we haven't assigned them to our boys. Those cases go to unassigned. In auto assign, the cases go that are in our area. And we've made the boys visible, but we haven't approved those cases. The cases we've assigned, locked, we can see how much allocation we've got in the approve section, in no service area. You can see cases that are not in the area we cover. Sometimes, by mistake from the bank's side, we receive cases in allocation that are not in our area. So, we need to void those cases and send them back to the bank. We can see those cases in the no service area. Watch our next video for more information. Thank you.